Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Asana. So first things first, you have to go to any web browser and then look for Asana. Click this one right here. It will take you directly to the signing up page. So tap on get started. Here you can create an account using your Google account. For me, this one is the easiest. So tap this one. Add your name. You can add your picture right here, and then you can tell them about your work, and you can select from any of the choices below. So let's just say this one is, or you will create this for project management and then task management. Everything is up to you. You will have your choices, and all you have to do is to select. Now, let's just say you will be creating this, or the reason why you create or sign up for Asana is for a YouTube project. You are the manager or you are the owner and you wanted to set a task for your teammates. So this is YouTube project right here. Then you can add here the following. For example, in YouTube project, you will add to do, in progress, and done. You are referring to the task. And then here you can change the view, so you can select list, you can select board, calendar, everything is up to you. For me, the easiest is list. So we will be using the list view right here. Now you can add your teammates' email address so that it would be easier for you to tag them or add them or mention them with their task. So you can also do this one later. You can skip this part, but let me just add their email address here. After that, so you have 14-day trial, period trial. Now you can upgrade after that. So you now, this is it. We have here YouTube project. We have here to do, in progress, and task. You can see that also in the calendar, board list. So you can choose which one you prefer. So here you can add a task. For example, the first task in to do is research a topic. And then for in progress, let's just say how to use Asana. And then for done, how to create a project in Asana. Everything is up to you. So once you have added this to do, in progress, and done right here, you can just basically assign this. So you will see this properties on the right side. Okay, on the right side you will see this assignee. You can see here date, also priority or status. So all you have to do is to click that. Your teammates will just show, or the list of your teammates will show up right here. So you can just mention them, date. You can set a schedule for that, deadline, and then set this to high, medium, or low, and so on. So basically, that's how easy it is. You can do that for the rest of your task below. And then in order for you to add more properties, just click this plus icon. It will let you create more properties and fields. Okay, so do this to the rest of your task below. And then after that, if you want to add, or if you want to give more information about a specific task right here or section, you just have to click this one. Let me go back, click this, and you can add more details inside. Once done, you can now share and then copy the project link, share this to anywhere you wish. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.